Hey there, it's Wendy. This is a totally impromptu little part of this video. I have a free download for you to help organize your paper scraps. My paper scraps used to sit right here, actually right here, in a bucket very similar to this, and they were overflowing and crazy and a gigantic, huge mess. And I hated it every time I walked into this room. So a team member of mine showed me how she organizes her scraps, and it was amazing. So I decided I would do the same thing, and then I would create a download for you so that you can do it also. So I'm gonna flip the camera around here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not. I'm computer illiterate apparently. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna flip it around. But I'm gonna show you, this is my scrap towers, or my paper towers. And these were custom made, before you ask. I know that'll be a question. These were custom made. My father-in-law made these for me. Up here is my excess paper storage. So I have like overflowing paper here. And then inside, look what happened. See here where it's got a label, beautiful little label on it now with my scraps sitting right on top. Yay! So the rest of this video shows you all the supplies you need to do this and how I did it and all that information. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for putting up with kind of a shaky, weird intro to a video. All right, go over to my scrap table with me and my scrap table, scraps are on the brain, people, my stamp table, and I will show you all the rest of the stuff you need to know. Okay, are you ready to have your mind blown with some scrap paper organization? I guess I should warn you, this is not totally earth-shattering, but it really was game-changing for me. So you need these Avery labels. They're number 5260 or 8160. I've linked to all of these products below the video and also on my blog. You need the heavyweight presentation sheet protectors, or I call them sleeves, from Avery. I got 100 of them for like $16. They do cost a little more because they are a heavier weight. Then you need to take the sheet protector. Now, in my case, I have to do this because my towers are not wide enough for me to be able to fit these in them without doing this. So you have to look at where the seam is, which I kind of tried to just point out to you, and then cut away the 3-hole punch part, but you got to be really careful not to cut into that seam. Otherwise, you end up just cutting it open completely. Now, the way my tower works, I needed my label to actually be upside down, or what you would consider upside down on this sleeve. I needed it to face out towards me. I wanted the opening of the sleeve to face out where the opening of the tower was. So what I'm doing right here is trying to find my Flirty Flamingo label because I just happen to have some scraps laying around. So after I found that label, I'm just going to put it on in the would be considered probably the upper left-hand corner if you turn it around, but the lower right-hand corner. Then the items go inside like this, and then this whole sleeve slides into where my full pieces of paper are. Now, obviously, if you have a 3-hole punch binder that you want to keep all your scraps in, then by all means, you could do it that way. Leave the 3 holes on and turn your label the other way. There's lots of options for how you could label these and store them. This is just what's going to work best for me. So I am super excited, and there are pictures on my blog to show you how this is going to look when it's all finished and stuff. So you can visit me over there. I hope this helped you. Remember, the links are in the video description below. As always, you can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. These labels are a free download, so you just go to my website or the link below and download them there. Really simple. Thanks so much for hanging out. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.